Hello, welcome once again for Terraform scenarios. In this particular demo, let's see how we can able to create your first EC2 instance via Terraform. So you need to follow the below mentioned steps. First, write your Terraform script to create EC2 and then establish connection with AWS via code, and then you need to execute below three mentioned commands: terraform init, terraform plan, and terraform apply to create EC2 instance via terraform, and then to destroy or to terminate the instance created using terraform, you can use terraform destroy. So let's begin the demo. First, let's try to write the terraform script to create an EC2 instance. So in our previous demo, we explained about how you can use Visual Studio Code IDE to start write your Terraform script. To continuation with that, let's try to add file here, create first EC2 instance dot tf. tf, we know that it's a file extension for Terraform. So I have provided a sample code in a GitHub repository. So this is a sample code. You can copy and paste. It will work fine. But for this particular demo, let's try to build from the scratch. We need to write a resource first. So for us, we are going to use AWS. So we need to provide the keyword AWS underscore instance. Why here we are providing instance? Because we are trying to create an EC2. So we need to provide an instance here. And this name can be of any name of your choice. So I am giving my first EC2. To create an EC2 instance, we need to provide an AMI ID as a mandate and instance type. So these particular two details are mandatory in minimum to create a EC2 instance. So from where we can get the AMI details? Go to your AWS console. You can click on launch instance. So I will select free tier only. So here I select any one AMI. Let's copy from here. This AMI is unique across all the AMIs available in AWS. It's a unique ID and instance type. So when we are creating an EC2 instance via console, in a second step, choose instant type. We will select what type we required. For this demo, I go with an free tier. So I will go with T2.micro. So we provided two details to create a EC2 instance. Next, let's try to provide the second part here, provider details. So for us, AWS is the provider to create this particular VM via Terraform. Let's go with an this provider details. Provider for us here it is AWS. Select AWS. We need to provide region and we need to provide access key, and then we need to provide secret key. So we need these three details to authenticate with AWS. So here the region I go with Singapore region. So I provide AP-Southeast. -1. We need to provide an access key and then a secret key. To get an access key and secret key, we should have an IAM user created already for us. So if you are kind of new to AWS, let's try to create one new IAM user. So I'm going to add users. So if you are having your access key and secret key, you can use directly. So I need just a programmatic access for this particular demo. I don't want console access for a user. So let me give a administrator access for this user so that user can able to interact with EC2 service to create an virtual machine. So here you can able to see the access key ID and then a secret access key. Let's copy and then secret access key as well. So we provided region access key and then a secret key. Region, if you go here, you can able to see for a Singapore region what is the region name, AP-Southeast-1. So I provided the same. Let's go to EC2 service. So as of now, we are just created the Terraform file, but we are not running the file to create an resource in a AWS. So I'll make sure that for a Singapore region, I don't have any instance running, but I have created code to create an instance here. The location where we are having this particular code. So here we have. So this is the file that has been created. So let me open git bash terminal. You can use any terminal of your choice. So before I begin, let me check the Terraform is installed in my system. Yes, it is installed. So first command we are going to provide terraform init. It is similar to git init when you are trying to create any repository in a git. So as we discussed earlier, we need to execute these three commands to create an instance in EC2, terraform init, terraform plan, and then a terraform apply. So it will take few seconds to initiate a terraform with AWS. So we need to wait for it. So you can find what kind of initialization has been happening in the backend, finding latest version of ASI Corp for AWS, installing ASI Corp for AWS. You can see the version because it is trying to establish the connection and trying to get the necessary plugins to authenticate all the details required. So here you can see the success message. Terraform has been successfully initialized. So next command, terraform plan. So terraform plan, it will try to create all the necessary details that are required to create an EC2 instance as per the details we provided in this particular resource. So we provided only these two details, AMI ID and then an instance type. But when AWS we are creating an EC2 instance via console, we will be providing more details. So what will happen with the plan? So apart from the details we provided here, all other details are taken as a default. You can able to see what are all the details that are taken as a default. So we provided the AMI ID, we provided instance type. All other details we are not provided, so it will take the default value, but we can further customize that. We can see it in our coming videos. So the next command for this particular demo, terraform apply. So this is the actual command that will create a EC2 instance in AWS. So we need to confirm so that it will create a resource in AWS. So we can able to see the message it started creating. We can go to AWS console, you can refresh, you can see one EC2 instance is getting created. It is in a pending state. Simultaneously we can able to see the log here, message still creating. So it is creating a particular instance. Yes, we can able to see it is in a running state. So it is success. Using Terraform code, we established a connection with AWS, and with only two details we are able to create an EC2 instance. So here we can see the message apply complete, resource 1 are getting added, but we are not changed anything, we are not destroyed also. Let's see what is this change or a destroy. Next, so we have created it. So what is the last command for this particular demo? Terraform destroy. So this particular command will destroy, or it will terminate the EC2 instance created via Terraform. Let's go back to the terminal. Terraform destroy. So we need to authenticate with yes, so that it will delete or it will destroy all the resources that are getting created by this script. We should see it should be in a shutdown state, and then it will be in a terminating state. So it is still destroying the resources created via Terraform. Yes, success. So instance getting terminated now, so there will be no cost charged for a user, since we created with a free tier and right away we deleted it. So this is the basic command we need to use to create an EC2 instance and then to destroy the EC2 instance via Terraform. That's it for this particular video. In our next video, let's see how to make further customization, like changing the type of instance, or we can create and tags, or we can create and security group, and much more to play with and Terraform, that we can see it in further videos. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends.